Guys, this is my first video ever, and for my first video, obviously I will be introducing myself in a few games. So the first game I'm going to be doing is an Adopt Me inventory tour. So also I'm going to be showing my journal. These are my pets. I have a crystal egg that I still have to hatch. This is one of my favorite pets. Also this and this. Also this. My ghostly cat too. I have a lot of cute pets. I did not name that. My cousin gave this to me and she named it's the RP named that. We don't talk about that. But this is my mega bunny. Then I got 3 milk chocolate bunnies. Then I got a kiwi, a sweetheart rat, and a wren. Those are all my cute pets. These are all my strollers. I really don't have a lot. And then I got my cars. These are not a lot of cars, but they're kind of cute. And then this is my stuff. Pet Handler Pro Certificate, stuff like that. This is all my toys. This is like probably one of my favorite things in my toys. This is my only and first glider. I love my gliders. Even though I only have one. Then I have really cute stickers. I love this sticker. Well, actually, walrus sticker. And then whaling Mr. Whisker Pip sticker. I have a lot of cute ones. And that's really it for my inventory here. I do think I had a gumball caterpillar or a neon and a normal, but okay. Now this is the first page because I really want a dragon fruit fox. My cousin Ami has one, but I'm only getting it if I get a flamingo she would trade for, or just trade it. And then these I only accept for these foods. I'm pretty sure that's pretty obvious, but these are all like the stuff and looking for toys. I need to get rid of this real quick. Because a lot of people have those and they keep trying to offer for them. Like they keep saying, hey, I have one of your looking fors and stuff like that. And then I have this, my dreamies. These are a mega cow. I'm going to just replace with the normal cow. That's never gonna happen. None of these are really ever gonna happen. I have a normal one of these. I never thought I would get one. I had also a normal one of this. I have a normal one of this. I traded my cousin for this, and then a jellyfish are just really cute. I don't know why I don't have the strawberry shortcake dragon here. I need to fix that. But that is my journal and stuff in Adopt Me. Now let's go to our next game, which is actually going to be, I don't know. Let's see what I'm gonna do for my next game. Please don't mind the stuff I played recently. Okay, it hasn't been that good. We're gonna do Knockout next. I love Knockout. And it's a really nice game. This is my avatar. It's really cute. But I'm kind of good at Knockout. These are my penguins. And I don't have a lot of penguins, but that's fine. These are all my penguins. Then for emotes, I only have Mad. I have Default Era. Oh, and I have these 3. Right now I'm using the Glitter Bomb. But they did more power, so. Oh. Okay, that's really all for Knockout. I don't know what else for Knockout to do. But now we're going to do MM2. MM2 is a very good game. I love MM2 also. So let's see MM2. I always use tablet just because it's better. And a hack, you use phone if you don't want this thingy. I always want that thingy. I like tap the better. Look at this in my inventory. Sadly, I don't have any better stuff. I love my alien plush. It's really cute. Oh, wow. She probably likes to adopt me. Okay, now I don't know what other games do. Oh, DTI. So, I did not plan this video out. This is very last moment. I post this the next day. I know that. But I'm going to post this tomorrow. And then I'm going to post 2 videos tomorrow. My other video is going to be made the same day because I'm going to need to review the DTI update. But yeah, this is DTI for me. I have VIP. I have most game passes except for all the clothing ones. These are my only clothing game passes. And then I have, this is like, I love this troll head. It's really cool. The man face looks the best. So these are all my like stuff. And DTI. Yeah, that's really all. These are my walks. And then this is my pose packs. Is it just me who never or like plays games that aren't free play anymore? It probably is. I don't like playing DTI if it's not free play. So yeah, guys, this is kind of the end of the video. I don't know what other games to do. So let me know in the comment section what other games you want me to do, like, and play. And it could be anything. It could be something new that I never played. It could literally be anything. Also, I have cousins, Maya and Lola. If you want me to play games with them, let me know down in the comment section. Bye!